like we discussed this one, 15 more than a number is negative minus 7. So 15 more than a number means 15 plus x. As here as is used for equation like equality symbol equal to, yeah, is negative 7, so minus 7. How we can solve this one? Just wait for this. How we can find the value of x. Next one, 13 more than the product of 4 in a number. So product means multiplication. 4 in a number. First of all, we have 4 multiplied with a number 4x, 4n, 40 in a variable, and 13 more than. And you know that more than we use for what? We use for addition. So you can write here 13. You can write like this one, 13 plus 4x equal to what? And a number yields. So again you know that yields 9. So yield we use for equation, so 9. How we can solve? How we can find the value of x? So just wait for it. We will solve this equation. We will find the value of x. Next, we have this phrase, uh, 3 times the difference of a number. So we have 3 times. 3 times, yeah, 1 time. When we have time, this means multiplication. Difference, you know that difference we use for what? We use for subtraction. Minus of a number in 5. First we have difference of a number in 5. It means x minus 5. 3 times means multiply with 3 is equal to, so equal to what? 7 times the number minus 12. 7 times the number means 7x. 7 multiply with x minus 12. So minus 12. 3x minus 5 equal to 7x minus 12. How we can find the value of x? So let's discuss solving equations. So who will tell me which option is correct? 32 less than 3 times a number is 15.
B, Professor.
A teacher.
A, 32 less than 3 times a number. Yes, think
B,
about it.
sir.
B. Again we have less than.
B, Professor.
A,
Yes,
sir.
yes. No, uh, B is correct. Of course, B is correct. Written here is 32 is less than which number? 3 times a number. 3 multiply with x and 32 is less than. So write down minus 12. B is correct. Excellent, guys. You know what are like terms and what are unlike terms? Yes, anyone? Like and unlike terms.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what are these?
So number with the same variables, they are known as like terms.
Okay, just same variables. Yes, like
And same
terms.
power, yes, sir.
Yes. The term with same variable raise same power. For example, x square and x square. These are called like term. Variable x in x. Power 2 and 2. So these are like term. Okay, coefficient must not be same, but coefficient is not important. For example, if we have 2x square and next one we have 6x square. Variables are same, powers are same. So these two numbers, these two terms are called like terms because variables and power must be same. One coefficient is 2, second coefficient is 6, but coefficient is not important. They must be, for example, possible, different possible, same possible. We have, for example, 2x square, 2y square, and let's suppose 3x and we have 4y square. So what are like terms? First of all, we have 2x square. Find out another term, another part which have same variable x and square. We don't have because we have power same with y square but variables are not same. So 2x square, 2y square, these are unlike terms. Their coefficient same, their power same, but their variables are not same. Same 2y square and 4y square, these are like terms because both have variable y and power 2. So 4y square, 2y square, these are like terms. Okay, like term we can add, subtract, multiply and divide. For example, 2x square, you can add with 4x square. You can subtract these two, you can multiply these two, you can divide these. But unlike term, just multiply and addition possible. Just multiplication and addition possible. For example, we have 2x square minus 4y square. So you cannot do with this one. You cannot simplify this one. Why? Because one is x square, second one is y square. So this will be 2x square minus 4y square. Just you can take 2 common between these, but you cannot add these, you cannot subtract this one. You can multiply and you can divide. Like if you multiply 2x square with 4y square, so coefficient with coefficient, 2 fours are 8. Then we have x square and y square. So x square and y square. Okay, so like terms and unlike terms. Like terms are those terms which have same variable raised same power. X power 3, x power 3, x power 4, x power 4, these are like terms. And unlike terms which have different variable or power. Variable is same, for example 4x, second one is 4x square. These are unlike terms. Variables are same, 4x, one variable is x, second variable is x. First one, coefficient is 4, coefficient is 4, although their powers are not same. 1 4x power 1 and 4x 2. So these are called unlike terms. So you cannot add these, you cannot subtract these. You can multiply and you can divide, but addition and subtraction of unlike terms are not possible. I think like term and unlike term, these are very easy. How we can add like terms? First one, we have 6t minus 4t. How you can add? You know that both 6t and minus 4, t is common. So take t common. We have t common. What is the coefficient of first? 6. Then we have minus, so minus. Then we have 4, so 4. Now you can simplify this one. 6 minus 4 equal to 2 and we have t. So 2t is the simple form of these two. 6t minus 4t. Same if we have, let's suppose, 4x square plus 10x square. So how we can simplify this one? How we can add? X square is common. So take x square common. Now what are the coefficients? First coefficient is 4 plus second coefficient is 10. So 4 plus 10 equal to 14 into x square. Same if we have 4 number, 5 number, like one is 2 x square minus 4 x square plus 6 x square minus x square. So how we can simplify this one? These are like terms. All have x square, x power 2. So take x square is common. We have x square is common. First one we have 2. Then symbol minus 4. Then plus 6. And then minus. We have what? We have 1. X square coefficient is 1. 2 minus 4 plus 6 and minus 1. If you add plus 2 and plus, these are plus, 2 is positive, 6 is positive, equal to 8. Okay, minus 4 and minus 4, both are minus, minus 4 and minus 1, both are minus, so add them, we have 5. 8 minus 5 with x square. Again you can simplify 8 minus 5, so 8 minus 5 equal to 3, 3x square. Yes, this is addition and subtraction of like terms. Second term, we have and these are not in proper order, but let's try to write in proper order. 3a square, 4b, 11b square, 4b, 2a square minus 6. First of all, okay, you can write all those terms which are same in one place. First we have 3x square. Variable is a, power is 2. So this is b power 1, this is not b power 2, no, b power 1, yes, this one, a to the power of 2. So these are like term. Write down 3a square plus second one we have 2a square. Why? Because these are same term, like terms. Both have variable a to the power of 2. Next we have what? Let's suppose next we have b square. So do we have other b square? No, we don't have b square. We have b power 1, b power 1, but we don't have b power 2. So write down here 11b square because we don't have other factor like factor of b square. Next one, we have b, 5 power 5b1 and this one also minus 4b1. So write down 5b power 1 minus 4b power 1. Next, we have only a constant number. This one is minus 6. Correct? So first one, 3a square plus 2a square, these are constant. If you take a square is common, right? Yeah, add their coefficient. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 coefficient. Same we have 11b square. Next one, both are like terms, b power 1. So take b is common and coefficient 5 minus 4. Next we have 6. 3 plus 2 equal to 5a square. Next one 11b square. Next one 5 minus 4. You know that 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1b square, or you can write, sorry, this one is b. 1b, just b, and minus 6. So result is 5a square plus 11b square plus b minus 6. So this is simplification or addition subtraction of like terms.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, why we don't add the power?
in addition we take common. You can see here
Okay.
3x square plus 2a square, so take one common. Yes, like 4 apple plus 6 apple. So apple, these are common, write down apple. 6 plus 4 equal to 10 apple. X square, b square, these are like apples. So just take common, then add their coefficient in addition. Okay, thank you. Next one. Can we simplify this one? 45x minus 37y plus 87.
No, Professor.
No, we
No,
can.
teacher.
Yes, why? Because these are not, there is no two common like terms. First one is x, second one is y, third is a constant number. We don't have x and y here, so we cannot add these, we cannot subtract these because these are unlike terms. Okay, geometry application, like if sides are given, you know perimeter. What is perimeter of a triangle? So this boundary line is called perimeter of a triangle. This boundary line, this side, then this side, and this side. For example, if this one is 10 centimeter, this one is 20 centimeter, and this one is 10 centimeters. So what is perimeter? So add all these. 10 plus 20 plus 10 centimeter equal to 40 centimeter is the perimeter of a triangle. Let's suppose one side is given 2x plus 3, second side is given 3x plus 2, and third side we know x. How we can find a perimeter? So add all sides. For example, x with 2x plus 3 x plus third side is 3x plus 2. Now you can simplify this one, like term 2x plus 3x equal to 5x. We have also 1x. So we have 6x, x, 2x and 3x. These are actually 6x, or you can write x plus 2x plus 3x. Then we have constant 3 in 2. So write down 3 plus 2. Now, when x is common, you take x common from these x, and x. Coefficient 1 plus coefficient
Plus 2
plus
plus 3,
3 plus these two are
5.
5. So 1, 2, 3 equal to 6. X plus 5.
6x plus 5.
Yes, yes, excellent. What will be the parameter of this one? Simplify and tell me.
That is, sir, that's 4x plus 2. No, 5x plus 2.
Think about it, then tell me, Alia.
Sir, I'm right. 4x plus
Yes,
5x plus 2.
yes, correct, correct, correct. 5x plus 2. Excellent, Nurullah, Nurul Bashar. Okay, so 4x plus, sorry, 5x plus 2. 2x, 2x, 4x, 1. This one equal to 5x. And constant numbers, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. What about this one? Yes, perimeter of rectangle.
Sir, that is 6 times x plus 8 times y.
8 times
Yes.
1. Okay, great. Great, great, great. Uh, you can add these. Let me try 2x plus 3y. Then with this one, x plus y addition. Then with this one, 2x plus 3y plus with this one, x plus y. Or we have 2a plus 2b formula. So 2x, x, this one is x and this one. Write down in one place. 2x plus x, this one also plus 2x and also this one x. These are x values. Now y values, we have 3y, then y, 3y plus y, then again we have 3 and y. So 3y plus y. If you take x common, so coefficients 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Now for y, if you take y common, so coefficients are 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. So this one, all are positive, so 3 plus 3, 6x. These are 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2 equal to 8y. So 6x plus 8y, these are the parameter of a rectangle. This is rectangle, not triangle. Now, just give me 5 more minutes. Let's discuss about the equation, how we can solve the equation. Is we discuss here the equation, but we didn't solve how we can find the value of x. So again, we have equation. You know that what is equation? Equation is an open sentence having sign of equality. For example, if we have open sentence or statement, like we have 2x plus 1 is greater than 5. So if we replace this greater symbol with equality symbol, then this called what? An equation, like 2x plus 1 equal to 5. So 2x plus 1 equal to 5. This is called a linear equation. Why a linear equation? Because when variable power is 1 in an equation, that equation is called a linear equation. In Dari we call khati, modulat khati. So linear equation. What is linear equation? Linear equation, a variable power. Yeah, an equation in which variable power is 1. You can see we have variable x and the power of x is 1. So this is a linear equation. Okay, in this we have only one variable. We don't know about the x value. So linear equation with one variable. One variable. If we have this equation, 2x plus y equal to 10. This is also a linear equation. Why? Because the variable powers are 1, 1. So linear equation, but now we have two variables, 2x plus y. So two variable x and y, same linear equation, but with two variables. Yes. Okay, if we write x plus y plus z equal to 10, again this one is linear equation. Why? Because variables power are 1, 1, 1 and 1. All three variables have power 1, x plus y plus z. And there are three variables, three unknown quantities. So this one is called linear equation with three variables. Yes, linear equation with three variables. So how we can solve? First one, linear equation with one variable, then linear equation with two variable, linear equation with three variable. So first of all, we have linear equation with one variable, linear equation with one variable. Okay, we have general form for linear equation with one variable, ax plus b equal to 0. This is general equation for one variable. Like we have 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So how we can find the value of x? So what will be the solution? For solution, keep in mind that when you are solving linear equation with one variable, keep all the variable on one side of equation and transfer all the constant to the another side of equation. Variable and on one side, constant on another side. What you say in Dari? Malum majhul. So keep all the variable on one side and keep all the constant on another side. I will start just for simple example, like we have x plus 1 equal to 10. What is the value of x? Value of x, how we can solve?
منفي
Yes. So
negative 10.
X equal
We
to
have to
10
move
negative
the
1.
constants in one side and variable in other side of the
yes,
equation.
yes, 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 yes. So
9 teacher.
yes, excellent, excellent. What we need to transfer all the constant to other side. Like we have plus 1, so I want to finish this plus 1. How I can? Okay, transferring is something else, correct? We don't have transferring in mathematics, but you can say we transfer this one. In mathematics, if you want to replace, if you want to finish this plus 1, so add minus 1 with both side, minus 1. So now plus 1 minus 1 cancel. We have only x on this side and 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Or same you can say for your simplicity x plus 1 is equal to 10. So when we transfer 1 to other side, we have x 10. This plus become what? This plus become minus 1. So x is equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Or for example, we have x minus 20 equal to, let's suppose, 5. So how we can find the value of x? We can find the value of x by cancelling, by transferring,
Transferring.
yeah, minus 20. So how we can cancel minus 20? Minus
We
we
have
can,
to
By transferring it to
add
the other
20 in
side.
both
yes,
sides.
yes, yes, yes. Transferring or adding, both are possible. If you add 20 here and 20 with 5, so 20 cancel with this one. X is equal to 5 plus 20 equal to 25. Or for your simplicity, x minus 20 equal to 5. Transfer 20 to other side. X is equal to 5 plus 20. Minus 20 become plus 20 and x is equal to 25. Yes, great, excellent. Uh, how we can solve this one? 4x How we can solve this one?
Transfer 2 to the 3
Yes.
and divide both side by 4.
Okay. We can transfer. Mursal, don't disturb us. 4x plus 2 equal to 3. So we need to transfer 4 and plus 2 to other side. Variable and constant. Variable on one side, constant on other side. First of all, if you transfer 2 to other side, we have 4x equal to 3 minus 2. So 4x is equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. And next we have 4x, 4 multiply with x. So if we have plus symbol, so we can eliminate with minus, like we have plus here, so with minus 2. If we have minus, so we can cancel with plus, like if we have 4x minus 2, so then adding 2 on both sides. When we have multiplication, so we can cancel with division. And when we have division, we can cancel with multiplication. You can see here 4 multiply with x. This is in multiplication. So multiplication we can cancel with the help of what? With division. Dividing both sides by 4, a coefficient of x. 4 cancel with 4. X is equal to 1 over 4. If we have this equation like x divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 3. First of all, transfer plus to other side. We have x divided by 2 equal to 3 minus 1. Plus become minus. Or this one equal to x divided by 2 equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now we have 2 also here. How we can cancel this one? This is in division form. And you know that division can be cancelled with multiplication. So division with multiplication. So if you multiply both sides with 2, both sides, this 2 cancel with 2, and x is equal to what? 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Yes, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Next question, you will try and you will tell me the final answer. We have 3x divided by 2 plus 4 equal to, let's suppose, 2. What will be the value of x? Solve and then tell me.
4 by 3.
4 by 3. Yes, try guys.
Sir, we have
It will
minus 4
Minus 4
divided
over
by
3.
3.
minus 4
Yeah,
over
minus
3.
4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Excellent. 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 Anyone else? Okay, guys. Let me solve this one. First of all, if you transfer 4 to other side, we have 3x divided by 2 equal to 2 plus 4 become minus 4. 3x divided by 2 equal to minus 2. 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. Then you can cancel 3 or you can cancel 2, it depends upon you. First, you can cancel 3 and also 2. If you want to cancel 2, so this is in addition, you need to multiply both sides with 2. 2 cancel with 2, we have 3x equal to minus 2 plus 2 equal to minus 4. Now we have 3x multiply with x, 3 multiply with x. So multiplication you can cancel with division, dividing both sides by 3 because we need only x. So 3 cancel, x is equal to minus 4 over 3. Yes. Okay guys, this was our today's lecture. Let me tell